So dear learners, in this particular video, we will be discussing about the ethical and professional responsibilities. Means being a software engineer, what are my ethical and professional responsibilities that I need to follow? Tomorrow, if I am going to get a job as a software engineer to work under any organization, then how I should behave? What are my responsibilities? So that we are going to discuss in this particular video. Okay. So basically, the software engineering ethics and professional responsibilities always deals with what? The software engineering engineers must behave in an honest and ethically responsible way if they are to be respected as professionals. Okay, so we know that there are so many variety of professionals that are there in this society along with us. Either it may be doctor, okay, lawyers, normally engineers. So within that engineers, once again, we are mainly focusing on the software engineers, because we have already told software engineering is also one type of what, engineering discipline, like mechanical engineering, by civil engineering. So software engineers should also, they have also should they should also what, follow some sort of ethics and professional responsibilities. Okay, and in that it's a very important thing is we need to behave as honest, and we should be ethically responsible. Then only the society will give what, a respect. Okay, so my colleagues will respect, or my employer will what, give respect. So that's very much essential. And another point is ethical behavior is more than simply upholding the law, but involves what, following a set of principles that are morally correct. That's very important. Okay, so never expect that you are going to behave as if some rules and regulations have been written on the paper. That, okay, always ethics is beyond to that. Ethics is what, always beyond to that, which is a set of what, that are morally correct. Okay, so every time I need not to talk about only with respect to rules and regulations and laws. Okay, apart from that, being a human being, okay, so we need to uphold the universal human values that we need to inculcate, even though my profession is what, a software engineering, or I am a software engineer. So that always matters. Clear? So let's discuss with the responsibilities one by one here. The very first one is confidentiality. Okay, so being a software engineer, okay, we have to maintain the confidentiality for whom we are working. Means if I am working today, if I am working for one company, then it is my duty to maintain the confidentiality of what, that particular organization. Okay, as a software engineer, I might be working on some particular project, so I should not disclose that. I should not disclose to some third party. I should not misuse that. Or even if I am working for some particular client, if I am developing some software for some client, okay, the same information should not be get leaked by me. That care should be always what, taken. So like that, in every profession they are having the confidentiality matters will be there. Even in medical, in medical field also. Okay, the patient information should be always what, confidential. So it's the job of the doctor that he has to maintain that. Similarly, being a software engineer, it is my responsibility to maintain the confidentiality with respect to what, my organization where I am going to work. Okay, that's the very the first point for what, the professional and ethical responsibility. Second one is competency. It's a competence. Competence means what? So here, as a software engineer, I should not misinterpret myself, my level of competence. See, for example, say I am working in some company as a software engineer. My senior or one of the project manager will come to me, either clear, and he will say that, okay, one extra work is there. I am going to hand over it to you, and I will give 1 week time, and you can please finish it off. And simply if I say yes sir, I can do it, but later after 1 week, okay, if I can't do that, because I will be knowing that the task given to me is impossible from me, because I may not be expert in that particular technology. Okay, when I know that I cannot do that, honestly we should accept that. Yes, okay, we would have told that to the manager saying that no sir, I don't know that. At least we can save that 1 week time. Okay, so we should not misinterpret anyone, okay, in the organization, saying that what, if I don't know that particular work, honestly I need to what, accept, saying that it is beyond to me, I cannot do that. Okay, so that is what competence. Then the third one is intellectual property rights. This is very important. Okay, so every software engineer should be abide by the rules and regulations and laws of defined by the, either it may be a government, okay, or it may be the IPRs, like intellectual property rights, such as what, the patents, copyright, okay, that we need to follow always. And even I need to follow the rules and regulations and laws defined by what, my own organization where I am working. I cannot break those rules. Okay, so even being a student, I am not supposed to take the Xerox copy of one textbook which is having a copyright. It's wrong actually. Okay, so being a software engineer, I should not misuse the softwares which belongs to my company and to install in my own PC for my personal purpose. That should not happen. Okay, I should not do such kind of what, piracy things. That should not happen. Then the last one is what, computer misuse. Okay, so being a software engineer, even here the suggestion is, okay, not to use our technical skills to misuse what, the others computers or laptops, whatever it may be. Okay, even it may include at the beginning level, that is from what you call playing a game on an employer's machine is also what, wrong. Without the permission, even though I am close with my subordinate, without the permission of that my colleague, I am not supposed to sit on his seat and use his computer even to play the game also. That's also wrong. Okay, and even it will be same thing will be taken to extreme case with what, making the virus installation or something else, so that the data will be get corrupted, or hacking the things. Okay, misuse of the softwares, even that should not happen, he says. Okay, so either it may be silly or it may be serious, whatever it may be, we should follow the ethics. We should not even misuse any computer related system misuse. That should not happen from us, so that care should be taken. Clear? So these are the 4 different professional and ethical responsibilities. Just do remember what are those. That is confidentiality, competency, then intellectual property rights, and computer misuse. Okay.